Welcome to the Tulip Experience Center. I'm Brennan Raymer, Tech Lead here at Tulip. Today we'll be taking a look at the Receiving Inspection Station, showing how Tulip apps can connect your inventory replenishment with the rest of your operations. Now we are in the supplier cell. On the dashboard, we can see the status of our machine shop and 3D printing farm. Requested inventory can be received from internal sources or external vendors with an invoice. We have a list of open material requests and their supplier location. We can select an order and place our invoice under the camera and capture a picture. Then we can use AI to read the important information off of the document and relate it to the selected request for validation. Once we scan the correct invoice, we can continue. Now we can place our part under the camera and validate that we chose the right part using a landing AI computer vision model. And we can see that the estimated part is correct and matches what we require. Once we've confirmed, we can pass the inspection. Now we can review the selected request and sign off on the order, linking the operator to the specific order. We can now refill the inventory rack with the parts. Here we're using a Tulip light kit to guide the operator from where to grab the bin, as well as Banner Engineering pictolights to indicate where the bin should be placed. To learn more about Tulip, reach out to us on our website. If you want to see this space, schedule a visit with us at one of our global Tulip Experience Centers. We look forward to talking with you about how Tulip can help transform your operations. Thank you.